Hi everyone, Teacher Irene here again. For today's video, I just wanna show how to make school posters and YouTube thumbnail. The app that you are going to use today is the Adobe Photoshop. Disclaimer, I am not expert to this topic, but I just wanna share my little knowledge about this. And I just wanted to showcase also my output during the lecture of our Day 3 INSET with Sir Glenn. My presentation today is simpler than what I had presented yesterday so that the newbies or the beginners could easily follow. So if you find this topic interesting to you, please like and subscribe and continue watching. So let us open our Adobe Photoshop, and this is now the appearance of Adobe Photoshop CS6. So here on top, these are what we call as the menu bar. We have here what are the things that can be found in the menu bar. We have the file, edit, image, layer type, select, filter, 3D, view, window, and help. Below the menu bar, these are what we call as the options bar. So there are different options that can be seen below. Here on the left side, these are the tools, the different tools that you're going to do the editing. So these are what we call as the toolbars. In the right side also, from top to bottom, these are panels, different panels. We have color panels, the properties panels, and the layer panels. So as we go on, you will discover the different uses in the Adobe Photoshop. So let's gonna start now. We'll try to think of the project that you are going to make. So here you can make school posters. You can edit the school posters. You are going to measure the size of the posters that you are going to make, the length and the width. Then you are going to convert it to inches, so it will be easy for you to do rather than using the pixels. Now you can also make YouTube thumbnail for this. You can also make tarpaulines for birthdays. So for me, I think it would be nice to do the YouTube thumbnail because this is what I'm going to use right after when uploading this video. Okay, so let's get started. First, you are going to click File, then New. Then you will give the title of the project. So YT thumbnail. Then what is the width in inches? Standard size is 16 and 9 inches. Then the color mode is RGB. Let's go. We will not change that one. The background is white. The bit is 8-bit. I will not change. So pagtapos mo na yung na-adjust or na-set, click OK. Hintayin muna natin ng sandali nang mailabas ang ating ginagawa. Ay, naglalag. Okay, andyan na. So that is the size for the YouTube thumbnail, 16 by 9. Kung poster ang gagawin mo, kung malaki ang poster, kung halimbawa sa stage mo ilalagay, malaki din ang gagawin mo dyan. Palakihin mo din ang size. Okay, so let's start. We already have here background. We already have layer. So we will just duplicate our background layer. Okay, meron na tayong dalawang background layer. So let's gonna have this colored. Let us have we'll click this one, gradient overlay. So sa gradient overlay, may lalabas dyan na different colors, mga overlays, kung alin ang gusto mong gagamitin. So for example, you wanted to use this gradient para siyang no, pero maganda naman. Pwede rin tayong mamili ng iba. Okay, so for example, yan. Pag hindi ka pa satisfied, you click again, choose another colors. So let's try that one. Have 2 colors. Okay, you can also click gradient overlay. Pwede mong baguhin ang shape, ang itsura. So siguro ganyan. Tingnan natin. Okay, ganyan ang itsura. Pwede din. So ang pinipindot mo lang is the FX. Okay, so we will try to make now the title for our project. So siguro magdagdag na tayo. Meron na tayong kulay. Magdagdag siguro tayo ng text. So for example, you are going to set first the size. Dahil ito ay ano lang, thumbnail, pwedeng 90. The font size 90 or 100. So 90 lang para hindi masyadong malaki. Then for the font styles, I have here lots. I even downloaded another font style. So we'll try to use this one for our text. Then dito tayo. Let's try to make how yung liit-liit naman dyan. Hindi mo makita. To make YouTube thumbnail. So halimbawa, yan. Click mo. So that's already your title. Then you can adjust your text kung sa gitna ba or sa isang side lang. Then kung gusto mong lagyan ng shadow, let's click blending options, then stroke. So itim na yan, maaari kang maglagyan ng parang border to the text. Okay, masyadong makapal. Okay, so you adjust the size for the stroke. Then set it to opacity 100. Click. Okay, ganyan na. Medyo makintab na, makikita na ang iyong text. Magdagdag ka pa ng ibang text. Ganyan. Dito, iba na naman ang font. Ang size, mas liitan mo kaysa kanina. Kanina 100, so dito pwedeng gawin lang nating 80. Then palitan na natin ang ating font style. So halimbawa, yan. So gamitin natin using Adobe Photoshop. Okay, that's it. So, anong layer na ba yan? Layer 1, 2, 3. Dito tayo sa text. Right click. Click the blending options. Then stroke. Then, kulayan natin. Okay. Pag nakaset mo dyan sa gilid, that's understood na talagang puti yan. Then, the size kanina. Okay, so just following the same procedure. Ito ang layer using Adobe Photoshop. Right click, blending option, then stroke, click stroke, then click that one, then white. So andyan na, puti na yan. Okay, then you are going to adjust the size. So that's it. Inuulit ko na lang kasi hindi na-explain kanina. Then you can adjust your photo or taasan konti dahil dito hindi yan makikita, meron pang nakasulat siya na time. So siguro dyan using Adobe Photoshop. Okay, next, it's better to add another picture. Sabi. Okay, so let's gonna add another picture or another image. File open. Then we will choose our image. Okay, for example, that one. Okay, here's the document tab. Let's pull it down. Then transfer. Okay, let's going to transfer. Then here's the document tab of our project. Let's open. Then we're going to resize the picture that we are going to place it there. So let's just have Control T. Then dapat naka-shift in resizing the picture. Then let us adjust. I think it's better to place that area. Kita natin ng kunti. Then, okay. Parang pangit naman tingnan pag ganyan ang itsura. So, we are going to fade some parts of that image. So, let's gonna click this tool, lasso tool. Then, draw a circle around that area which you are going to fade. Okay. So, let's gonna adjust it. Then, the size, the feeder size is 50. Then, let us delete. Okay. Parang meron pa. Okay. Now, we are done. Deselect. This, we still have two sides to clean. So, let's add another lasso. Let's add another lasso. Then, click the layer. Then, let us press delete. Okay. Diyan na. Then, deselect. Here below, lagyan din natin siya ng lasso. Let us adjust. The feeder is still 50. Then, okay. So, that is already the appearance of our Adobe Photoshop image. Parang nagbi-blend na ang kanyang kulay sa ating background. Okay. So, do you find it simple and easy? Or what? Just comment down below. Mayroon pa rin tayong i-adjust. Meron pa tayong i-adjust. How to make YouTube thumbnail. Kasi nasa ilalim ng aking ulo. Okay, that's it. Then we will save. Save. Save as. Now, this is important also in saving. So, that is why YouTube thumbnail. Then, that is already JPEG. We save that to JPEG. Saan mo ito isi-save? Then, change it to large file. To the maximum 12. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That's the final output.
So, if you find this topic interesting and relevant to your work as a teacher and as a YouTuber, please do share, comment about the video, and don't forget to subscribe. And please do hit the notification bell for more updates whenever I will post a new video. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.